Hi guys, we are here to do the Big Talk with Bombay, and for those of you who don't know what Big Talk is, the idea is to have meaningful conversations with new people we meet every day in our lives. So we just skip the unimportant part of where are you from, how old are you, and we get to know so much about the other person through a set of questions. I'll just go around and ask different people. So let's begin. So the question is that what is that one thing you want to do before you die?
I just want to be very happy and create a lot of wealth for other people to enjoy it.
Or maybe sing and perform at the Royal Albert Hall. That's like the dream of my life. Yeah, exactly.
What about you?
Yeah, I think it's the same thing because we play together, so we could.
मेरा भी ख्वाहिश है घर बने पूरा परिवार अच्छे से रहे और बाद में मैं कमाऊँ आगे बढ़ूँ. हम लोग का जो ग्रुप है हम लोग को देख देख के कोई हंसता है, ऐसा नहीं हंसे, अच्छे से रखे, कोई इज्जत करे मेरे को.
Try to become something like Shah Rukh Khan.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so like you want to reach...
Yeah, that level, you know.
I would like to do something for the poor people, invalid people, mentally retarded.
I'm not too sure, but I want to try helping my grandma out right now, which I was going to try and do because she really needs help with dieting. So she really does. So I'm just going and helping her out with her diet right now.
I would like to make my parents proud before I die.
Okay, and do you have any ideas about how you'll make it happen?
I think I'll complete my education, and I'll start a job, and then I'll earn money for them and buy them a house or a car.
I would like to buy my new Porsche Boxster.
कि मैं यही चाहता हूँ कि खुशहाली हो. मरने से पहले हम लोग जैसे भटक रहे हैं ऐसा भटकना नहीं चाहता हूँ. रोड पे जैसे बेच रहा हूँ, भटक रहा हूँ, ऐसा नहीं सोचता हूँ कहीं पे बैठ के आराम से बेचने को मिले, आराम से कहीं धंधा करने को मिले, ऐसा सोच रहा हूँ लाइफ में कभी ऐसा बन जाए मरने से पहले.
I just want to live fullest, means I just want to enjoy the whole world. So world tour.
I would like to love my girlfriend very passionately before I die.
Okay. If you get to know that tomorrow you're dying, today is your last day, so how will you spend your day?
It's actually my birthday today.
Oh, happy birthday! I'm
Thank
so
you.
happy birthday!
Thank you.
Yeah.
So if I do happen to die tomorrow, it's kind of unfortunate.
It's completely hypothetical.
I'll book a table in some nice club. So go for a party with my friends.
Maybe reaching a place in the world where I've never been before.
Okay, so you're a traveler.
Yeah, I'm a traveler.
Today I would want to meet all my friends and spend time with my family.
I'd get a huge loan and spend it all until tomorrow. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I think I'll do that. Yeah, I wouldn't tell anybody I'm going to die soon. So of course.
वही करूँगा जो दुनिया करती, खुशी मना लूँगा. जो मरना है तो कुछ ना कुछ करके जाओ.
यहीं के हो?
यहाँ के नहीं, मैं यूपी के हूँ.
अच्छा, तो आप वापस जाओगे आखिरी दिन पे?
Well, I want to see everybody happy and would say goodbye to everyone like it that way. Yeah.
जैसा जी रहे मस्त लाइफ, बिल्कुल सिर्फ ऑनेस्ट लाइफ जीता था. ऑनेस्ट लाइफ in every relations.
I'm actually glad to have spent the day I did today. Tomorrow, if I do happen to die, I have no regrets because I feel like I've done everything that I wanted to.
I don't know. I just want to enjoy. That's it.
That's it?
I just want to live my life fullest with my all relatives, all my dear and near ones. That's the thing.
What is the kindest thing somebody's done for you?
कोई नहीं, खाली माँ बाप ने जो किया वही किया है और कोई नहीं किया. जो मिला सब अपने वही मिले.
मुंबई में आपके लिए किसी ने कुछ नहीं किया?
नहीं किया.
My husband. After marriage, I was there in Jabalpur.
Okay.
So from Jabalpur, he has brought me here, and he has allowed me to work in the TV series and on everything.
Well, the kindest thing that my ex has done for me, I'll put it that way, she flew down because I stay overseas. So she flew down. She visited me on my birthday last year. We're no longer together, but it's all good.
That's really sweet.
Yeah.
When I was new to Bombay, so apparently I wasn't finding any home. There's a lot of problems. Like to find a PG in Andheri, especially when you're from the industry or something like that. So there was a very good, cool, sweet friend of mine who made me stay at his place for 2 months, and that was really nice of him.
But I can say my parents, because they're always present in my life and they're always there and taking care of me. So they're nice every day of my life. So I can say that.
Yeah, I'd say the same thing, of course. Not her parents, but my parents.
हाँ मेरे लिए मैं मतलब मैं जब भी मेरा काम जॉब पे रहती हूँ, जॉब छूटता है तो मैं अपने घर पे रखती है मेरी फ्रेंड।
मेरे पापा ने मेरे साथ किया है क्योंकि मैं बॉम्बे से नहीं हूँ, तो मैं बॉम्बे आना चाहती थी और मेरे पापा ने सबसे अच्छी चीज़ ये की कि मेरी ज़िद के आगे उन्होंने हार मान ली और मुझे बॉम्बे पहुँचा दिया।
She spent her own pocket money, and I've never had anyone do that for me, and it was really special.
Have you done something so kind for somebody else?
I try to on an everyday basis. I try to help wherever I can.
I love to do for my family whenever they need me. I'm always there for them. You
Apart
know.
from family, are you kind with normal people?
Yeah, I'm normal people as well. I love helping people. You know, whenever I can, whatever I can.
Kind means I just help the people, poor people. That is the not general thing. This is, but yeah.
I hope so. I have done many things and hopefully someone will remember me for the nice thing that I have done.
एक मेरी फ्रेंड है, उसके लिए मैं करती हूँ, जहाँ पे डांस करती हूँ उसके लिए करती हूँ, उसकी अम्मी के लिए करती हूँ। मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगता है क्योंकि मैं उसकी अम्मी की अम्मी जैसा मानती हूँ, तो कभी कभी मैं कुछ देती हूँ तो मेरे को बहुत सुकून मिलती है।
I've been nice to servants and they do my work.
That's very sweet.
Yeah, they do my work and they said we don't want to leave you.
Oh yeah.
मैं तो हर आदमी के लिए दौड़ता हूँ, हॉस्पिटल हो या कहीं हो, हम सबके लिए दौड़ते मगर अपने लिए कोई नहीं दौड़ता।
तो आपके क्या परिवार वगैरह सब यहीं पे रहता है और आप बहुत अच्छी बांसुरी बजाते हो। थैंक So these were some of the people I got to know through these questions and I hope you liked it. Now if I had to answer these questions, my answer would be for the first question that one thing I would like to do before I die is definitely see my father proud of my accomplishments. I really don't have an idea how I'll go about doing it, but I want to see that. And second is my last day. My last day will be definitely around my family because my family means the world to me. Okay, and about the kindest thing I've done for somebody, well, I don't know it's somebody, but I am a huge dog lover. So when I was in school, I used to give half of my lunch. Okay, mom, don't kill me for this, but I used to give half of my lunch to stray dogs, which I think is kind at some level, right? So let us know about your answers to these questions in the comment section below. Like it, share it, and subscribe for more of such videos. Thank you.